Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Sun Pharma. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Mega walk-in drive for female candidates only. You can see walk-in for position is packing, production, quality and engineering, and experience is freshers to ATS. Coming to the education and qualification, ITI, Diploma, BSc Chemistry and MSc Chemistry, Btech, Bpharma, Mpharma candidates apply to these positions. These walk-in are conducted at 29th April 2023 and time is 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and venue is Sun Pharma Laboratories, Mirja Palashpuri Road, Mirja, Assam. Candidates must bring PAN card, Aadhaar card, education certificate and photograph. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. Thank you. See you in the next video.